There's a growing concern in the tech world. Are companies making AI decisions without truly understanding the implications? Box founder Aaron Levie has coined a term for this phenomenon: AI psychosis. It's a critical concept for any professional navigating the current landscape. Levy describes it as a dangerous disconnect. The people making executive decisions about integrating AI into operations are often the ones least likely to fully grasp what the jobs they intend to replace actually entail. This AI psychosis, as Levy defines it, stems from a fundamental misjudgment of human roles. Leaders might observe specific tasks that AI agents can automate. They might focus on perceived efficiencies, but they often overlook the deeper, more complex layers of human work. This includes nuanced problem solving, critical contextual understanding, creative adaptation, and the essential human judgment that AI, for all its advancements, still struggles to consistently replicate. It's a gap in understanding the true value of human capital. This isn't merely a theoretical warning. We are already seeing concrete, real-world consequences playing out. A prominent example is the company ClickUp. They recently undertook a significant workforce reduction, cutting a substantial 22% of their staff. The rationale provided for this drastic measure was the implementation of AI agents. This wasn't a minor, incremental adjustment to staffing. It was a major organizational shift, directly driven by the belief that new AI capabilities could effectively take over a large portion of existing human-performed work. Such bold moves force us to ask critical questions. If leadership lacks a comprehensive understanding of the intricate details and unspoken requirements of the roles they are eliminating, what are the true, long-term implications for the organization? Are they genuinely achieving sustainable efficiency and innovation? Or are they inadvertently introducing new vulnerabilities, creating unforeseen operational gaps, and eroding valuable institutional knowledge? Automating individual tasks is one thing. Replacing the holistic, adaptive function of a human role with all its inherent context and strategic flexibility is an entirely different proposition. The risk of creating more problems than are solved is significant. The ClickUp situation, while stark, is not an isolated incident. It aligns with a broader, more concerning trend across the tech sector. Layoffs in 2026 are already accumulating at a pace that nearly matches the total number of layoffs seen throughout the entirety of 2025. This suggests a widespread, perhaps even systemic, pressure on companies to adopt AI. There's a strong drive to demonstrate rapid AI integration and immediate cost savings. But are these decisions always based on sound, long-term strategic planning? Or are many influenced by this very AI psychosis, a premature, perhaps even irrational, belief in AI's complete and immediate replacement capabilities? So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a developer, a project manager, a business leader, or any professional in this evolving landscape, how do you critically assess if your organization is making genuinely sound, strategic AI investments, or if it's falling prey to this AI psychosis? This distinction is absolutely crucial for career longevity and business success. We're keen to hear your perspective. Have you witnessed this disconnect firsthand in your workplace? Share your insights and experiences in the comments section below. For individual professionals, this trend demands more than just continuous skill development in AI tools. It requires a proactive effort to understand and articulate the truly irreplaceable aspects of your own role. What unique human attributes do you bring? What elements demand creativity, complex ethical reasoning, emotional intelligence, strategic foresight, or nuanced client interaction? These are the areas where AI still faces substantial limitations. Clearly highlighting and advocating for these core human contributions becomes an essential survival strategy in a workforce increasingly impacted by AI agents. The pursuit of widespread automation without a profound understanding of human roles can lead to organizations building fragile, rather than robust, systems. Such systems might be highly efficient in performing narrow, predefined tasks, but they often lack the inherent resilience, adaptability, and innovative capacity required to navigate novel problems, unexpected market shifts, or unforeseen challenges. A truly successful, future-proof organization requires a sophisticated blend. It needs AI to augment human capabilities, to handle routine, data-intensive processes, but it critically still needs human insight to lead, to strategize, to adapt, and to drive innovation beyond the current technological horizon. Ignoring this delicate balance could seriously undermine long-term organizational health and competitive advantage. Aaron Levie's concept of AI psychosis is far more than just a memorable phrase. It serves as a potent warning. It underscores the enduring and vital importance of the human element, particularly at leadership levels. As AI capabilities continue their rapid expansion, the clarity of human vision, a deep understanding of true human value, and a balanced perspective on technology's role become paramount. Don't allow the pervasive hype surrounding AI to obscure the fundamental reality of what these tools truly are, and more importantly, what they are not.